Crikey, mate, look at them pools. Oh, we're gonna catch some fishies. We're gonna catch some fish. We're gonna catch some fishies. We're gonna catch some fish. Okay, guys, we picked a nice little doozy today. Lots of hiking to get here. Now I gotta wade across. I don't know if you can see way over there. There's a little mountain trip, and that is our destination. Just a little tip, guys. If you guys get corkers boots, don't even waste your time with the regular Klingon sole. It's absolutely terrible. There's zero traction on anything. And I got the studded Klingon as well, but when I went to put them on this morning, they're freaking 2 sizes too small. So I'm stuck using my crappy regular Klingon, which has no Klingon. Zero cling. Well, guys, I made it over here, and as you can see, I may not even be able to fish this. So we're gonna see if we can find a spot up in here to walk, and I don't know. It looks like we might not be able to fish this, but we're gonna try. All right, guys, so we're gonna see if we can squeeze through a little bit and see if it clears out at all. What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another fishing adventure on Family Life Outdoors. Today is Sunday, Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I hope you had a good weekend. Today we're in Schuylkill County again on another blue line stream. Now this in particular blue line here is the hardest one I've ever had to get to. It's the hardest one to get to that I've ever had so far. I hiked a couple miles through the woods, waded through the main river. The main river was a little bit swollen from the rain last night, and I couldn't even walk because of my regular Klingon soles on my corkers are absolutely useless. Definitely do not recommend those. I want to give a quick shout out to David Gilbert of Pennsylvania Trout Limited Facebook page. He has some pretty cool merch on his page, and if you're not familiar with the page, it's a really good place for trout fishermen in general, but a good place for newbies and people with less experience. It's a pretty safe group as far as the respectable comments go. So if you're not a part of that group yet, go over there and check him out. He was actually able to customize these shirts with whatever you want on them. So he customized mine with Family Life Outdoors, which I thought was really cool. He also has flies that he ties, and I got some of those, and he ties some pretty good flies. And he also has a high-vis leader material, which I was looking forward to using today, but unfortunately the way the stream is and how overgrown it is, I think I'm just gonna stick to a simple dry fly. So as you can already tell, guys, this is gonna be really tough, and I don't know how far we're gonna get or if we're gonna be able to get anywhere, but we're gonna give it our best shot to get through here and get to some of these holes underneath this rhododendron and see if we can get any brookies out. So let's not waste any more time. Let's hike upstream and get started, guys. Oh, there's a nice hole right there. Oh, oh wow. Oh, this is crazy. Oh. Oh, couldn't get him out of the freaking water. Well, we had our first brookie, but the rhododendron said, I don't think so. Oh, I can't even get frustrated in here. I'm gonna lose my mind. I just gotta go with the flow. Let's try again. Yes! Oh my goodness, wow! That's the nicest brookie I've ever seen in my life. Holy crap. Holy crap. Those colors are amazing. Look how big he is for this tiny little stream. Wow, guys. Look at that. Whew. Put him back in his hole. Whew, feisty little bugger. Wow. He squeezed through this hole. Wow. I think that was the nicest looking brookie I ever caught. The colors on him, the orange colors were amazing. All right, got our first one. Let's get another one. Oh, come on, got him. Oh, don't go, don't go, don't go. Little one, little guy, little guy. Let's get him out right away. Oh, there he goes. Holy moly. Whew. Alright, number 2. Yep. This is my life right now. This is what I'm dealing with. Oh, damn it. You got me on a freaking tank. That is a big tree. Holy crap. Oh. There he goes. Sweet. Stuck in a bush. Ay caramba. Adios mio. Okay, so that's brookie number 3 in Rhododendron City. Unless you want to count that one that I almost got. Almost. Oh! I couldn't see the freaking fly. I didn't know you had it. Nikes. Oh, where's he at? There's the tree. I caught a tree. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. What the hell? Oh. We did not land him. So how many seconds do you have to have it before it counts as a reception? Wow, guys, so finally, look at that. I can walk. Look where I came from. Now we got some stream. Oh, he freaking log. Dang it. Oh, jeez. Come on. Oh, jeez. Come on. Ay, caramba. Adios mío. Oh, come on. You gonna take it or what? Oh my goodness. You gonna take it or what? Ah, come on. Premature. Premature. He's like, am I hungry? Meh. Do I want McDonald's? Do I want Arby's? Do I want Wendy's? How about some Taco Bell? Nah. What about Burger King? Nah. I'm so happy we made it to open water. Probably spooked this hole because it's too clear. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Damn it! I can't get to them fast enough before they get out of the net. Just when I said I thought I spooked the hole. That's number 4. 4, right? 5 maybe. Depends who's counting. 6 could be. I don't know. So I'm just really happy that this opened up. I was committed either way. I was going in. I was going as far as I could, but I gotta say I'm pretty happy with this. Pretty happy. I can't see my fly. Oh! Nope. What is it? Stick. Got a stick. Got a big stick. Nope. Rock. So I thought my fly started to look funny. The parachute is coming out and I just ripped the tail off. That sucks. Oh! I didn't even see him. Damn, my fly is not looking very good. Not looking very good. Oh. Again, I can't see the damn thing. Oh, yeah. Come on, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. Oh, goodness, look at him. Beautiful. Holy crap. That is a nice one. Look at that. Holy crap. Wow, that was the nicest one I've ever caught. I love when they have the dark colors like that. Wow. Whew. What was that? Number 6? Number 7? Number 5? I don't know. Who's counting? Whew. Holy crap. Caught him on my wounded parachute. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Crikey, mate. Look at them pools. Whew. That might be the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Holy moly. Holy crap. Holy crap. Can't screw this up. Can't screw this up. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy crap. Wow. What a take. What a take. Man, I thought I spooked them all. A beautiful fish, guys. These are the nicest brookies I've ever caught. Wow. On my injured parachute. See if we can get another one. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. No way. Come on, come on. Oh my God. Wow. Holy crap. Look at the size of that. Whew. Fat one. Got the fatty. Alright, buddy. Easy there. Yep, you ain't getting through the net. Holy moly. Let's think about that dry fly action, guys. Oh, guys, what a brookie. What a brookie. Whew. That was the biggest one of the day. on my injured parachute. Alright guys, I think we're gonna put this injured parachute on the injured reserve list. He played a hell of a game, but it's time to put him on the bench. Alright guys, I've been dying to use this high-vis grasshopper ever since I got it. Oh, damn. Alright guys, I'm gonna fish these 2 pools and then that's it. And we're calling it a day. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. Pulled it right out of his mouth. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Whoa, that little tiny brookie came darting out from under that rock right there and slammed it. Holy moly. That was crazy. He did it again. Wow. Freaking same little fish came out from under that rock. Oh, he keeps doing it, no way. He wants this freaking grasshopper. It's a little big for him though. Oh my goodness. 4 times in a row. You gotta be kidding me. He's hungry. I hope you guys can see it. Oh my goodness. 5 times in a row. There he goes. Oh. Oh my goodness. No freaking way. Oh my God. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Settle down, buddy. What? Oh my God. I freaking caught him while I caught that other fish, and then my line flew over into this hole and caught that fish while I was fumbling around with the other fish. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. What the hell? Oh my God. All right, buddy, all right. Crazy. What? This is crazy. Well, guys, we did it. We made it. We made it back to the start. I gotta wade across this angry river and get back to my truck a couple miles. So that turned out to be really, really fun. We had a blast. I was so worried at the beginning here because of the rhododendron, and I didn't think I was going to get very far. We ended up going pretty far, and we found those 2 really nice holes and a lot of good spots. And the farther I was going up, the more plunge pools there were. So if I would have kept going, it would have been, you know, like hole after hole after hole. It was starting to get pretty steep. So definitely a gem of a Class A blue line. Hard to get to, definitely not fished a lot. And the colors on these brookies were just absolutely amazing. They're definitely eating good in there. They probably got a lot of bugs coming off the trees, and there was a lot of flies, you know, flying around the stream. So definitely plenty of food back there. The colors on them were just absolutely amazing. Nicest brook trout I've caught so far, definitely color-wise. And we actually caught some pretty decent sized ones up in them bigger holes, so that was really awesome. Really glad I put the time and work in for this. Definitely want to come back one day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you did enjoy it, please go subscribe and check out my Blue Line series that I'm putting together right now. I think this is the 3rd or 4th one. I think it's the 4th one. And I'll probably do a couple more. Next week though, I'm definitely gonna be doing some headwaters videos. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to go with the flow. And hopefully we'll catch you next time. See you guys. So I forgot to mention, for those of you who like the water temperature readings and everything, the mainstream here came in at 69 degrees and the Blue Line came in at 57 degrees. So just wanted to share that for those of you who are wondering.